Volkswagen Philippines started this year's campaign for the T-Cross by rolling out new colors, Makena Turquoise, Pure White, and Moonstone Grey. In addition to Syringa Violet, Tribu Yellow, and Romance Red, the new colors are meant to emphasize VW's wish to paint the T-Cross as a subcompact crossover SUV for the hip and trendy crowd. The colors certainly succeed in making the T-Cross attractive to the younger and more dynamic generation. Nevertheless, at 4,280mm long, 1,760mm wide, and 1,599mm tall, and with a 2,651mm wheelbase, the T-Cross with less quirky colors can be described as elegantly handsome with straight sharp lines in profile. The front bumper, air damped skid plate adds sporty to words that can describe the T-Cross, as do the roof rails, the front fog lamps with corner light function, the rear spoiler. For 2023, the T-Cross SE still features LED headlights, but now with auto-on function. Also featured are daytime running lights, rear fog lamp, electric outside rear view mirrors with side turn lamps, panoramic sunroof, 17-inch alloy wheel strap by 205/55 R17 tires. The T-Cross SE is also equipped with what Volkswagen calls the Chassis Entry Go system that allows one to get into and start the T-Cross with key fob in pocket. Volkswagen likes to point out that the T-Cross is a subcompact SUV with compact segment interior dimensions. The T-Cross cabin is certainly roomier than many of its competitors. The interior panel and trim is colored matched to the exterior, which adds to the youthful appeal of the T-Cross. The seats in the SE use a combination of leather and fabric upholstery with stitching that also matches exterior colors. The front seats still adjust manually, 6 ways for the driver and 4 ways for the passenger. The rear seat bench folds to create more luggage space if necessary. The raised seat feels comfortable, especially with the well-bolstered bucket seats up front. From the comfort of this raised bucket seat, the driver can get all the information he needs from the active info display that can be customized, as well as a good view of the road in front and around him. Also within view, front and center of the dash is this 9.2 touchscreen display of the T-Cross infotainment system that comes with wireless Apple CarPlay and 4 speakers. The infotainment system can be controlled using hand gestures, as well as controls on the multifunction steering wheel. In front are USB Type-A and Type-C portals for charging and Apple CarPlay connection. Type-A and Type-C ports are available in the rear but only for charging devices. Other comfort and convenience features include air conditioning with pollen filter and rear vent, one touch up and down power windows, and central door locking. Driving the T-Cross seems almost effortless, especially with the electronic power steering tuned for those who prefer it light. The T-Cross is powered by a 1,498cc 4-cylinder engine that generates 113 PS and 145 Nm of torque. A 6-speed Tiptronic automatic transmission with sport mode sends power and torque to the front wheels. Volkswagen claims the T-Cross can go from 0 to 100 km per hour in 13.3 seconds. Top speed is placed at 185 km per hour. The T-Cross cabin is relatively quiet, riding on a suspension system using independent front McPherson struts and semi-independent composite torsion beams in the rear to absorb road imperfections. Stopping power comes from a brake system using disc on all wheels, ventilated in the front, solid in the rear. The T-Cross also comes with passive and active driver assist technologies. These include anti-lock braking system with electronic brake force distribution, hill hold control, anti-slip regulation, and electronic stabilization program. Equipped for safety are driver and front passenger airbags, side airbags, head curtains, 3-point ELR seatbelts, and ISOFIX tethers. Rear parking distance control and rear camera make it easier and safer to maneuver into narrow slots and crowded lots. Finally, the Volkswagen T-Cross also comes with a immobilizer and tire pressure monitor.